Abby's here. Just trying to park. There's look like there's some tourists.
God, the sun's just coming straight down.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Mr. Sunboy's
oh, he's naked. Anyway. Hi guys, we're here in Ravenshoe Windmill. Just gonna have a look. It's usually very windy here. Sabi's there. Sabi's with us. Oh. Hi. Just gonna put the sun visor on because it can get really hot in here. Let's go and check it out, the windmill. Bye bye. We'll have a look in here. Here's Abby. It's a bit windy. It's always windy here. You can see the trees around in here. It's always leaning towards the right side because it's always windy here. So this is the windmill here in Ravenshoe. I forget the time, how many hours to travel from Cairns to Ravenshoe. Probably about 2 hours. Just gonna have a look in here. Here's some information here about the windmill. It's called the wind farm. And the sky, it's so clear. No clouds at all. That's amazing. It's farms in here, cattle farm. It's a cattle farming here around here in Ravenshoe. We're here in Scenic Route Lookout, and this is what you call this place? I always forget. Hi guys, we stopped over here in Scenic Route Lookout. It's a halfway between Ravenshoe and it must be a Millaa, I'm not sure. Just gonna double check again later. So this is the Scenic Route. It's beautiful lookout. Those are farming in there.